Hi, my name is Sara Faradji, and I'm a technical writer at Abnormal. My job is to ensure that when a customer is deploying one of our products, whether they're onboarding for the first time or they're setting up a SIM or SOAR integration, configuring new features, that they can do so as quickly as possible and with clear instructions so that they can start protecting their environment immediately. And in this past year, I've really been developing different AI workflows to improve how we produce and maintain that customer facing documentation and continually build trust with our customers. The title of my dissertation was Afropolitan Hackers, and I spent a great deal of time researching hacking, social engineering, and phishing scams, and the narrative power of them in Anglophone African literature. And then for the past 5 years, I've actually worked in cybersecurity. I've worked in cyber training, as well as marketing, and now technical writing. And what I really value about the cybersecurity community is just how inclusive it is. People come from all different backgrounds and they have a true desire to learn. And I also love helping to educate customers about how products work and how they can best improve their SOC workflows using our tools. And when consumer AI first hit the market, what I really enjoyed learning about it was how could I improve the way that I build different types of systems and agents to improve my own workflows. And I think that my background in English makes me a good candidate for being able to explain instructions as well as to help guide people to build agents to use them effectively and develop skills and continuing to improve the AI over time. I expected Abnormal to be a place where everyone was moving at a rapid pace to keep up with the dynamic market and the threat landscape. What I didn't expect was how much ownership I'd have across the entire product surface. I build all of the documentation across every single Abnormal product. And what's great is that product managers and engineers pull me directly into the launch process. I'm there building the documentation while they're building the specs. And I also didn't expect that I would really be able to transform my role. In just a year, I have been able to build tools, Gen AI tools, and all kinds of ways to improve my workflows. So I feel like I'm not just someone who documents, but someone who builds. And the culture at Abnormal really encourages you to solve problems in the way that you think is best. Intellectual honesty is the core value of my work from academia to Abnormal. It means when I'm writing documentation, I'm not overselling. I just tell you what you need to do and how to do it. And it also means sometimes being that healthy skeptic in the room when it comes to Gen AI tool use. I love using these tools to collect sources as well as speed up investigations and flag discrepancies, but I'm always questioning the output to a large extent until I'm confident in the answer, making sure it's accurate before we share it with customers. People might be surprised that I'm still a teacher at heart, always. I record video lectures, lead online workshops, and I spend a lot of time thinking about how to build rhetorical toolkits for the AI age. I want to help the next generation of scholars and builders be able to understand and work with new technologies. So, what I learn and build at Abnormal, I pay it forward. If I figure out how to automate a workflow or build an agent that does something useful, I tell my students about it, help them understand how this works, what guardrails they need to put in place, and how they can be even more meaningful and intentional with language.